hearing that every 30 minutes, a random hymn while stepping outside of a conference session, that is the way to go. Really set the tone for the conference, and even the professionals here were just in deep thought while walking to different sessions. I've been to a lot of conferences professionally, and you see any and everything as far as just the atmosphere and how we carry ourselves and our influence. And it's just great to go to a conference and just have these thoughts of God, these hymns being played that you can think on as you're thinking of ways to improve the lives of kids who may not be in the best circumstances. So really grateful for this experience, and I really hope I can come back next year as a presenter.